The modern facade to Gare de Strasbourg was built in 2007, fronting the main station buildings dating from 1883. The modernisation heralded the introduction of TGV services to various towns and cities in France, Germany and Switzerland. TGV number 2424 is scheduled to cover the 450 kilometres between Strasbourg and Paris in 2 hours and 21 minutes, with one intermediate stop at Saverne. The first hour of our journey will be over normal or classic French railways before we enter onto the latest high-speed line. The signal to depart comes from the train manager, and we leave punctually at 12:13. Our train is formed of a TGV réseau, or regional, set number 511, one of 33 allocated to the East Europeans. This is Vendenheim. The large signal box still controls the line conventionally, being the next block section after Hausbergen, and that in turn from Strasbourg. After Vendenheim, we're now down to double track, the 2 lines to the right going to Wissembourg. We're noticeably climbing here, the gradient being 1 in 167, the steepest on the classic line. This is Aubar Tunnel, 304 metres long. In France, drivers must still whistle as they enter and leave tunnels, a practice not followed in the UK anymore. The high-speed line is controlled from a signalling centre at Pagny Sur Moselle. Signalman Francois is overseeing our progress on computer screens and a large display on the back wall. We will shortly be entering the line at Baudrecourt, and our train number is showing already, meaning that the route is set. Pierre has now applied full power, and we can see the acceleration building with our 11,825 horsepower. Here we cross the line from Reims to Châlons-en-Champagne. Coming in from the left is the connection from the Châlons line, as well as a track maintenance depot for the route. Pierre now has to lower the pantograph again as we near the end of the high-speed line. The pantograph tension will be changed back to that for a normal line at 25 kilovolts. We pass through the neutral section with the pantograph lowered. Line 2 now becomes LGV 2. These signs tell us that the pantograph can now be raised and that the cab signalling no longer applies. All conventional signals and signs apply from here. The radio changes to the signal boxes controlling us for the last 22 kilometres into Gare de l'Est.